seeing is a showcase of 1 year's work that Cebu already knows, but not Southwestern knows. We've been going out, exhibiting, working with clients, dealing, you see these kids, these are grade 11, grade 12, and our College for Architecture and Comms, but they've been going out and talking to people. We're gaining a reputation around the city, but SW doesn't know it.
I want to express my gratitude to the people at SWC. You know, in any institution or in an organization, I still think that the most important element are its people. Right? I don't think anything can replace the passion, the emotion, even the vulnerability of people. We want to open windows for you too, so to see how big our dreams are for you. We are working hard to make SWC global. We have big dreams for SWC, and we have big dreams for you.